The information provided here on Product Information Management (PIM) is good to have for anyone preparing for a project management or product owner role in the field of PIM. Understanding the fundamentals of PIM, including its core concepts, processes, and key terminology, is essential for success in roles related to PIM. This knowledge equips you with the necessary foundation to manage and optimize product data effectively, ensuring data accuracy, consistency, and completeness. Additionally, gaining insights into specific PIM solutions like STEBO systems enhances your ability to navigate and contribute to PIM projects. Let's focus more on PIM concepts and processes. Know the core processes involved in PIM. Data collection. This process involves gathering product-related information from various sources, such as suppliers, manufacturers, internal databases, and external data providers. Understanding data collection methods, including manual data entry, automated data feeds, and data import/export, is essential. Data modeling. Data modeling is the process of structuring product data. It involves defining attributes, categories, hierarchies, and relationships between products. Familiarize yourself with data modeling techniques and best practices for creating a structured and organized data model. Data enrichment. Data enrichment involves enhancing product data with additional information like images, videos, descriptions, and technical specifications. Understand the importance of data enrichment in providing comprehensive and appealing product content. Data syndication. Data syndication refers to the distribution of product information to various sales channels, such as e-commerce websites, marketplaces, print catalogs, and mobile apps. Learn about syndication methods, including real-time data feeds, batch exports, and data transformations for different channels. Data governance. Data governance encompasses policies, processes, and roles for ensuring data quality, security, and compliance. Explore data governance practices, including data ownership, data stewardship, data quality monitoring, and data lifecycle management. Having a solid grasp of these core PIM processes and integration concepts will increase your ability to manage and optimize product data effectively, which is essential for project management or product owner roles in the PIM field. Learn about data modeling techniques for structuring product information. Data modeling overview. Data modeling is the process of defining the structure and relationships of product data within a PIM system. Understand the primary components of data models, including entities, attributes, relationships, and keys. Entities and attributes. Entities are objects or concepts you want to represent in the data model, e.g., products, categories, suppliers. Attributes are the characteristics or properties of entities, e.g., product name, price, color. Explore how to define and categorize attributes based on their types, such as text, numeric, date, or enumeration. Relationships. Relationships define how different entities are connected in the data model, e.g., a product belongs to a category or is supplied by a vendor. Learn about relationship types like one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many, and understand how they impact data modeling. Keys. Primary keys uniquely identify each record in a database table, while foreign keys establish relationships between tables. Familiarize yourself with the concept of keys and their role in data integrity. Normalization. Normalization is the process of organizing data to minimize data redundancy and improve data integrity. Understand the various normal forms, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and their application in data modeling. Explore data governance practices. Data ownership. Data ownership assigns responsibility for specific sets of data to individuals or departments within an organization. Understand the importance of clearly defining data ownership roles and responsibilities to ensure accountability for data quality and accuracy. Data stewardship. Data stewards are individuals or teams responsible for overseeing the quality and management of data. Learn about the role of data stewards in maintaining data integrity including data validation, data cleansing, and data enrichment. Data policies and procedures. Data governance often involves creating and enforcing data policies and procedures to maintain data consistency and compliance with industry regulations. Familiarize yourself with the development and implementation of data governance policies, including access controls, data privacy, and data retention. Data auditing and monitoring. Data governance includes monitoring data quality and adherence to data governance policies. Understand how data auditing and monitoring tools can help identify and rectify data quality issues. Understand how to maintain data consistency, accuracy, and completeness. Data consistency. Consistency ensures that data is uniform and standardized across all channels and systems. Learn how to enforce data consistency by defining and adhering to data standards and guidelines. Data accuracy. Data accuracy refers to the correctness and precision of data. Explore techniques for validating and verifying data accuracy through data validation rules and automated checks. Data completeness. Completeness ensures that all required data fields are populated with accurate information. Understand how to establish data completeness criteria and implement processes for data enrichment when necessary. Data quality metrics. Data quality metrics, such as data completeness rates, accuracy rates, and timeliness metrics, help assess the quality of product data. Learn how to define and measure these metrics to track and improve data quality over time. Data cleansing and enrichment. Data cleansing involves identifying and rectifying errors, inconsistencies, and duplicate entries in product data. Understand the role of data cleansing and enrichment processes in maintaining high-quality data. Data validation and validation rules. Data validation rules are predefined criteria used to ensure that data entered into the system meets specific standards. Explore how to define and implement data validation rules to prevent data entry errors. Continuous improvement. Data quality is an ongoing process. Learn how to establish a culture of continuous improvement to address data quality issues proactively. Having a strong grasp of data governance practices and data quality management is crucial for ensuring that product data remains accurate, consistent, and complete throughout its life cycle within a PIM system. This knowledge is vital for maintaining data integrity and supporting informed decision-making in PIM-related roles. This next text involves integration and syndication in the context of product information management, PIM. Familiarize yourself with how PIM systems integrate with other systems. Integration overview. PIM systems are often the central repository for product information, but they need to share this data with other systems across an organization. Understand that integration is the process of connecting the PIM system to external systems, such as e-commerce platforms, marketplaces, ERP systems, and more. API, Application Programming Interfaces. API are essential for enabling communication between different software applications. Learn how PIM systems expose API that allow other systems to retrieve and update product data. Real-time vs. Batch integration. Real-time integration involves immediate data exchange between systems, ensuring that all systems have access to the latest information instantly. Batch integration, on the other hand, involves periodic data updates and may have scheduled synchronization intervals. Understand when each integration approach is appropriate and its impact on data currency. Common integration points. Familiarize yourself with common integration points for PIM systems, such as product catalogs, pricing, inventory, and order management. Learn about data syndication methods and best practices. Data syndication overview. Data syndication is the process of distributing product information to various sales channels, including e-commerce websites, marketplaces, print catalogs, and mobile apps. Understand that syndication ensures that consistent and up-to-date product information is available across all customer touchpoints. Channel-specific data formatting. Different sales channels may have unique data requirements and formats. Learn how to format product data according to the specifications of each channel to ensure seamless syndication. Data mapping and transformation. Data mapping involves translating and transforming data between the PIM system's format and the format required by each sales channel. Explore techniques for efficient data mapping and transformation to avoid errors and inconsistencies. Automation and workflow. Automation tools and workflows are often used to streamline the data syndication process. Understand how to set up automated syndication processes, including data validation, error handling, and exception management. Content enrichment for syndication. Product content may need to be enriched with additional images, videos, or marketing copy for specific sales channels. Learn how to manage content enrichment as part of the syndication process. Monitoring and error handling. Implement monitoring mechanisms to track the status of syndication processes and identify any errors or issues. Understand best practices for handling errors and exceptions during syndication. Syndication frequency. Determine the appropriate syndication frequency for each channel based on the channel's update requirements and your organization's data policies. Having a strong understanding of integration and syndication in PIM is essential for ensuring that product data is effectively distributed to various sales channels while maintaining consistency and accuracy. This knowledge is crucial for optimizing the customer experience and maximizing sales opportunities in PIM-related roles. Understand the roles within a PIM system. Product manager. The product manager is typically responsible for overseeing and managing the entire product information lifecycle within the PIM system. They define data models, taxonomies, and attribute structures, as well as set up data governance processes. Understand the product manager's role in shaping the overall data strategy and ensuring data accuracy and completeness. Data steward. Data stewards are individuals or teams responsible for specific subsets of product data. They ensure data quality, enforce data governance policies, and perform tasks such as data validation, cleansing, and enrichment. Learn about the role of data stewards in maintaining data integrity within the PIM system. Product owner. The product owner, often found in agile development methodologies, represents the interests of stakeholders and users. They prioritize and manage the product backlog, ensuring that the PIM system aligns with the business's goals and requirements. Understand how product owners work closely with development teams to define and deliver product enhancements. Administrator. Administrators have elevated access rights and responsibilities within the PIM system. They manage user accounts, configure system settings, and ensure the system's overall health and performance. Learn how administrators play a critical role in maintaining system security and reliability. End users. End users interact with the PIM system to perform tasks such as data entry, data retrieval, and data validation. Understand the needs of various end-user roles and their respective permissions within the system. Learn how to define and manage user permissions and access control. Role-based access control, RBAC. RBAC is a common access control method in PIM systems that assigns specific permissions to each user role. Understand how to define and assign permissions based on roles to ensure that users can access only the necessary features and data. Access levels. Access levels determine the extent of access a user has to different parts of the PIM system. Learn how to define access levels for various user roles and ensure that they align with business needs. Data segmentation. Data segmentation involves restricting user access to specific subsets of product data. Understand how to implement data segmentation to protect sensitive data and ensure data privacy. User provisioning and deprovisioning. User provisioning is the process of granting access to new users, while deprovisioning involves revoking access for departing users. Learn how to manage user provisioning and deprovisioning efficiently to maintain system security. Audit trails and monitoring. Implement audit trails and monitoring tools to track user activity and access changes within the PIM system. Understand the importance of monitoring user actions for security and compliance purposes. Training and support. Provide training and support to users to ensure they understand their roles and responsibilities within the PIM system. Be prepared to assist users in troubleshooting access-related issues. Gain knowledge of the steps involved in migrating data to a PIM system. Data assessment and profiling. Before migration, assess the quality and structure of existing data. Identify data sources, formats, and potential issues. Learn how to profile data to understand its complexity, volume, and quality. Data cleansing and preparation. Data often requires cleansing and transformation to meet the standards and structures required by the PIM system. Understand how to clean and prepare data for migration, including deduplication, standardization, and enrichment. Data mapping and transformation. Map source data attributes to the corresponding attributes in the PIM system. Learn how to transform data during the migration process, accounting for differences in data formats, units, and standards. Data migration tools and methods. Familiarize yourself with data migration tools and methods commonly used in PIM projects. These may include extract, transform, load, edit, tools, scripting, and manual data entry. Testing and validation. Rigorous testing is crucial to ensure data accuracy and integrity after migration. Understand the testing procedures and validation checks needed to identify and rectify data migration issues. Data rollback plan. Prepare a rollback plan in case issues arise during or after data migration. Learn how to safely revert to the previous data state if necessary. Explore best practices for implementing PIM solutions within an organization. Needs assessment and planning. Begin by assessing the organization's specific PIM needs, goals, and pain points. Develop a comprehensive implementation plan based on these assessments. Data governance framework. Establish a robust data governance framework to define data ownership, data stewardship, and data quality standards. Learn how to align data governance practices with PIM implementation. User training and change management. Training and change management are critical for successful PIM implementation. Understand how to develop training programs and strategies to facilitate user adoption of the PIM system. Integration strategy. Determine the integration points between the PIM system and other enterprise systems, such as ERP, CRM, and e-commerce platforms. Explore integration best practices, including data synchronization, API design, and middleware selection. Scalability and performance. Consider scalability and performance requirements to accommodate future growth. Learn how to optimize the PIM system for speed, reliability, and responsiveness. Data security and compliance. Implement robust data security measures to protect sensitive product information. Ensure that the PIM system complies with relevant data privacy and industry regulations. Monitoring and maintenance. Establish monitoring and maintenance procedures to keep the PIM system running smoothly. Understand the importance of regular updates, backups, and performance tuning. User feedback and iteration. Collect user feedback to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Be prepared to iterate on the PIM system based on user needs and changing business requirements. Stay updated on current trends in PIM. AI and machine learning integration. Stay informed about how AI and machine learning technologies are being integrated into PIM systems. Understand how these technologies can automate data enrichment, provide data insights, and enhance the accuracy of product data. Omnichannel marketing. Omnichannel marketing involves providing a seamless and consistent customer experience across all channels, including online and offline. Keep up with trends in omnichannel marketing strategies and how PIM supports them by centralizing and synchronizing product data. Customer experience enhancement. Customer experience, CX, is a key focus in PIM, as accurate and detailed product information directly impacts CX. Explore trends and best practices in using PIM to enhance the online and in-store shopping experiences. Data governance and compliance. Stay updated on evolving data privacy regulations, such as GDPR, CCPA, and industry-specific standards. Understand how PIM systems adapt to compliance requirements and help organizations meet data governance standards. Cloud-based PIM. The adoption of cloud-based PIM solutions is increasing, offering scalability and flexibility. Learn about the benefits, challenges, and trends associated with cloud-based PIM deployments. Personalization. Personalized product recommendations and content are becoming increasingly important for e-commerce. Stay informed about personalization trends and how PIM systems support them through data-driven insights. Research best practices and case studies in the PIM field. Best practices. Explore best practices in data modeling, taxonomy design, data governance, and data quality management within PIM systems. Learn from experts in the field and apply proven techniques to optimize your PIM implementation. Case studies. Case studies provide real-world examples of successful PIM implementations and their outcomes. Research case studies relevant to your industry or business model to gain insights into effective PIM strategies. Vendor and industry reports. Many PIM vendors and industry organizations publish reports and white papers on PIM best practices and trends. Regularly review these resources to stay informed about the latest developments. Peer networks and conferences. Join PIM-related peer networks and forums, and attend conferences or webinars to connect with industry professionals and learn from their experiences. Engage in discussions and knowledge sharing to stay updated on industry trends. Continuous learning. Make ongoing learning a part of your professional development by seeking out courses, certifications, and workshops related to PIM and data management. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, where accurate and rich product information is a competitive advantage, the knowledge shared here serves as a valuable toolkit for those aspiring to excel in PIM-related roles, enabling them to deliver exceptional customer experiences and drive business growth.